Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you the new luxury sports car from Ferrari. It's called the F8 Tributo, and it cost around $300,000. Ferrari often competes against Lamborghini and McLaren. If you had your choice, which of these would you choose? Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell to be notified of our future videos. Now let's take a look at the Ferrari F8 Tributo. The Ferrari F8 Tributo is an entry-level supercar that the Maranello-based company launched in 2019. The F8 Tributo replaced the 488 GTB, introduced in 2015. It is essentially a mid-cycle upgrade and not a brand new car. The new twin-turbo gasoline direct-injection 3.9-litre V8 under the Lexan lid of the Tributo gets the following: a lighter titanium connecting rods, a lighter crankshaft, lighter flywheel, lighter, smaller catalytic converters, reduced plenum size for improved transient response, shorter intake runners for better efficiency, new valve springs, hollow valves with more aggressive lift profiles, and new and lighter exhaust manifolds. The result is a quicker revving engine that saves 40 pounds overall and offers improvements in both power and torque, from 661 horsepower to 710 and from 560 pound-feet to 568 T. The upgrade is rather significant as far as design goes. Not only sporting new features front and rear, but the Ferrari F8 Tributo also boasts more aggressive aerodynamics, which are based on the track-ready 488 Ferrari Pista. The F8 also shares underpinnings with the Ferrari Pista and generates the same 710 horsepower. The Ferrari F8 Tributo arrives just in time for the facelifted Lamborghini Huracan Evo and the relatively new McLaren 720S. Now, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is just as quick as the Lamborghini Huracan Evo from 0 to 62. Which also makes it as quick as the performance. Impressively enough, the Ferrari F8 Tributo hits 124 miles per hour, a full second quicker than the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. It also wins the top speed battle by a significant margin, at 211 miles per hour versus only 202 miles per hour. Designed to replace the Ferrari 488 GTB after 4 years on the market, the Ferrari F8 Tributo takes the best features from the 488 Ferrari Pista and wraps them in a more road-friendly package. Thanks to its 710 horsepower V8 engine, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is a big blow to the Lamborghini Huracan Evo, which barely comes close to the 488 GTBs out at 631 horsepower. By rolling out the F8 Tributo, Ferrari leaves the Huracan behind by an even bigger margin. On the other hand, it's no match for the McLaren 720S, which is both lighter and quicker. Needless to say, the Ferrari F8 Tributo is one cool supercar, but Ferrari still has a lot of work to do in order to offer segment-leading performance. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up to support our channel. Hope you will continue to follow us as we show you luxury, lifestyle, and resorts. Don't forget to subscribe below, and be sure to hit that bell to be notified of our future videos. Until next time, lads.